I have a cough and I have medicine today because yesterday I eat gulab jamun too. Just to that's all. And also I'm a YouTuber now I got only 1 subscribe. And why no views? And subscribe to Imagine. Oh my god. That's my track for that.